Got an ill skill, stability to rap a will, busting rhymes like bullets and ready to kill it. 26 years of age, I'm going on a rampage. Harvick exam under the spotlight on stage. I'll face anybody believes can bring me down. I won't back up, I'll bury them on the ground. I'll listen to the sound.
And this is the end product. Check out this 2004 Toyota Altis. This came in wrecked, total wrecked, so they had to fix the hood, the bumpers, and realign everything. The engine's been rebuilt, but we don't have videos of that, so this is the before product. Let's do a ocular inspection. Ocular inspection for a 2004 Toyota Altis 1.3 gas engine. This comes with a manual transmission. So again, when we acquired the unit, this was a total wreck. As you can see, the whole front was fixed up. Now we can't really open the hood, and it's getting worked on now. Hopefully by next week this will all be ready. What's up, guys? So this is the next day. Check out the 2004 Vios. It's been paint stripped to metal. We got a new guy there. Paint stripped to metal. The primer's already on. Everything is looking good, guys. Everything is clean. Covered up the mugs. Another guy there. Probably by next week or so, this car is going to be done. Again, this is a 2004 Toyota Altis. Check that out. Manual transmission, 1.3 gas engine. We can't really check out the inside, but you can see how fast our guys work here. So yeah, I'm gonna update you on the next one again, and let's go. Hopefully it's a bit more shiny, if you know what I mean. So yeah. So here's a closer look at the Toyota Altis 2004 model. Paint job isn't that clean yet. They're still trying to fix it. It's already looking pretty good compared to how it was the first time around they got it. Interior needs some detailing. Manual steering or a manual transmission, but the cushions are pretty intact. They just need some cleaning. It's closing pretty good. Sounds pretty solid. 7 a.m. again, and they're already up. So let's take a step back. Check that out. Hopefully mine's next, and there's another one there. That one's looking even better. We had to prioritize that because that's a customer's car, and this is an acquired asset. So yeah, check it out, dudes. Super shiny. Check it out. Back in the garage. Looking okay. Hey, okay. Just a little bit more and it's ready to be sold. Next tour is the Pajero. Another project car.
Bagong gupit, brad, ah.
Oo nga, pinag-trip ako sarili ko kaso mahirap pala.
Ikaw naggupit?
Entering the garage. Check it out. The Vios is looking good. Check that out. Ooh, looking snazzy. 7 a.m. Oh no, it's 8 a.m. Look at that. Oh no, it's not the Vios, it's an Altis. Alright, they're looking good. Bit cleaner than then. Wheels are also cleaned up. Pretty good. We'll sound this in a bit, so yeah. Let's check that out. Pretty good. Check it out, guys. The Toyota Altis is no longer at the garage. It's been disposed. And this is the end product. Very shiny. Very nice. See that? This is the car we got, totally wrecked. It's looking pretty snazzy. I guess that's the end of the video. I can't really shoot inside because someone's inside, the owner. The new owner is inside, so yeah, I guess that's it, guys. I'll catch you in the next ride.